Namaste students, myself JV and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. I am at first semester. We will discuss the topic Paulo Freire, education thinker and educational activist. South American theorist, political activists and critical pedagogy aimed at the grassroots. Outlines Paul Freire's ideology, resources of hope, love, education, praxis, authority and freedom, and next criticism. Who is Paulo Freire? Brazilian educators, philosophers, influential theorists of critical pedagogy, bring literacy to third world countries, lawyers, language teachers, adult educators and workers, trainers, directors of the Department of Cultural Extension of the universities, and social education advisor to the World Congress of Churches. Ideology according to Freire: education as the practice of freedom, liberating educations and mutually created dialogues. Pedagogy of the oppressed. The oppressed becomes liberated and willing to question every aspect of society. He argued for system of education that emphasize learning as an act of culture and freedom. Critical consciousness, a process by which the learner advances towards critical consciousness. Okay, pedagogy of hope, relive and excavate the process and journey. Hope and hopelessness, concrete entity, revolution activities, replicates evolutionary economic determinants theory, and history is the time and space of possibility. Okay, next, interest of capacities and economic condition in processes of social change. Love core of education processes, love driving progressive and the essence of dialogue. Okay, aesthetic revolutionaries. Education is its broadest context. Educators should engage with the system and be tactically inside and strategically outside the system. Freire touches on the role of social movements as important vehicle for social change. Freire insisted that education should not be romanticized and that teachers taught to engage in a much larger public spheres. Praxis regarded praxis as a central concept in questions. Praxis constitutes the means of gaining critical distance from one's word of action to engage in reflections geared towards transformative action. Okay, authority and freedom. Authority is necessary to the freedom of the students and my own. The teacher is absolutely necessary. What is bad, what is not necessary is authoritarism but not authority. The educator directivity should not interfere with the creative, formulative, investigative capacity of the educand. Some criticism: his taking books broad branch many subjects but not always in the depth required. Farey overemphasized on popular cultures. He produced one book too many, and there is quite a lot of repetitions across these books. Quotes of Paul Farey: education either functions as an instrument which is used to facilitate integration of the younger generation into the logic of the present systems and bring about conformity, or it becomes the practice of freedom. It the means by which man and woman deals critically and creatively with reality and discover how to participate in the transformation of the world. Okay, thank you.